guys, just want to do a quick video of what happens if you lose your TWIC card. Now, when it happens, it feels like it's the end of the world, and it's like, oh man, what am I gonna do? Now I can't get into the ports, now I can't work, now I can't make money. But just don't worry, you could order a new one online, and all the ports will let you in as long as you have your receipt. And you could just show them the receipt on your phone, just showing them like the email confirmation. But there's a couple ports, or maybe just one port, which is APM. They need to have like an actual printed out receipt. So like you could just go to your email and then print out that confirmation email. But yeah, it needs to be printed out on paper if you go to APM. But right here, I'm at LBCT, also known as Pier E. And when you first check in at those pedestals, you have to physically put your card into the pedestal. And then when it says remove card, then you have to take your card out, obviously. But of course, there's times where you might be on a phone call, or you just might be in a hurry, and you just take your picture of your location of, you know, where you got to drop off your empty, pick up your load. And then the gate lifts up, and then you're just like, boom, you just go. And then you don't realize till later on, you might be in the lanes getting loaded already. And then you're thinking like, oh crap, I think I left my freaking TWIC card in one of the pedestals. Well, I know because that happened to me, not once, but twice. The first time it happened was like maybe my first couple months, you know, working at the ports. And then the second time, it just happened like literally like 3 months ago. And man, I was freaking pissed. I was mostly pissed off at the fact that I went back to the pedestal where I left it in, and I checked and it's not there. And right here at Pier E, they do have a lost and found for TWIC cards, because it's so common, it happens all the time. So don't feel bad if it happens to you. But they have a little lost and found. It's right next to the porta potties by the trouble window. And it's like a little like a mailbox that's on the fence right there. And yeah, anytime, you know, someone loses one, whoever finds it, they'll just grab it and then go take it to the lost and found, or they'll find a security guard and then turn it into the security guard. But I was pissed off because I go hoping that it's gonna be in the lost and found. I look in there and of course it's not there. And I'm like, bro, who the hell grabbed my freaking TWIC card and didn't turn it in? Oh, I was so irritated. But then I thought, okay, hold on, let me just do this back real quick. But yeah, I was really hoping that somebody would have turned it in, because if I would have found someone else's TWIC card, I would have felt bad and, you know, thought like, okay, I need to go turn it in so at least they could go grab it. But I don't know, everybody's different. Not everybody thinks the same. It is what it is. But I was just more pissed at the fact that I have a label maker, and pretty much I have like, if found, please call, and then I have my number. I have it taped on the back of the card, and no one ever called me. And so then I was just tripping like, damn, what am I gonna do? And then I let dispatch know, like, hey man, I lost my TWIC card and I can't get into the port for my next load because I had to come back to Pure E for my second load. And he's like, oh man, he's like, all right, well, if you could just order a new one, then all you gotta do is show them the receipt. And I was like, hey, well, can you double check? Like, can you email Pure E, you know, just in case? And they're like, yeah, no problem. And then, yeah, they emailed him, and then Pure E responded and said, yeah, as long as he has his receipt, he could just show the security guard, and then we'll let him in to get his load. But, so yeah, I went ahead and I went online on my phone, I ordered it, and it's basically like, you go on, like you just Google TWIC card, and then you go to the website. I'll put the link in the description, but you just order a brand new one, and they send it through the mail. And so yeah, for about 5 days I had to wait for it to come in the mail, and in the meantime I was just using the receipt showing that I basically ordered a new TWIC card. But yeah, that's pretty much what happens if you lose your TWIC card. You know, it's not the end of the world. It is a pain in the ass. You know, you got to show a security guard every time you go to the port that you ordered a new one. But it is what it is. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to make this video real quick just to let you guys know what happens if you lose your TWIC card. Just go online, order a new one, and then while you're waiting for it to come in the mail, you just show the security guard every time you're checking into a port, like, hey, I lost my TWIC card, but I have my receipt right here that I just ordered a new one, and then they'll let you in. But anyways, that's pretty much it for now. If you're out there driving, drive safe, and hope you have a blessed day.